Yeah, I'm gonna be eating Domino's pizzas because I have never ever tasted a new version of this pizza chicken burger and also the chicken parcels. By the way, I have eaten this pizza over here. This is pepper chicken pizza and I have not tasted this yet. Guys, all this stuff right here cost me around 200 rupees. Basically it cost around 300, but I got 100 rupees cashback on the Paytm offers. So yeah, let's jump into it and taste the pizza first. Also guys, they have given this up into the pizza. Let's take the first bite. Morning sun, how are you? Skies above, gee, it's great to be. I feel the taste like pepper and also the cheese and also the toppings which they have given is fabulous. I enjoyed the taste. Pizza अगर खाना है आपको तो Domino's का खाना. Are you able to see the chicken pieces here? It's damn good. Let's take the first bite of this chicken parcel. As you can see, the liquid is coming out. It tastes amazing. You just have to try it. It tastes amazing. These are chicken inside it. पानी आ रहा है मुंह में, पानी आ रहा है आप लोगों के, है ना? लीजिए. This is the best pizza burger I have ever had. Awesome taste, but KFC के जितना अच्छा नहीं है. I will give him 10 out of 8. KFC ज़्यादा better. Let me try another one. Applied sauce on it and now I'm trying this pizza. So this is the first time I'm trying. This is chicken ball with extra cheese in it. So let's take a look. I have applied sauces on it because I have put more chili flakes. That's why I feel hot on my tongue. This is how it looks. Apart from all of that, this is the best pizza which I have ever tasted. Let me take the another bite. It tastes really good, my guys. I mean 200 rupees में इतना पिज्जा मिल रहा है, वो भी Domino's का. किसे नहीं अच्छा लगता है? By the way, मैंने Domino's के फूड ऐप पे से ऑर्डर किया था, तो मुझे Paytm का कैशबैक मिला है. आप भी कर सकते हो, आपको करना है तो. So guys, बस मेरा पेट भर गया. I can't able to eat anything. Only just I have eaten this pizza burger and chicken parcel. और पिज़्ज़ा और इसके अंदर भी पिज़्ज़ा वैसे का वैसा ही है. So मेरी सिस्टर खा लेगी, कोई बात नहीं. आपको खाना है तो आप आ जाओ. So this was my छोटा सा वीडियो ऑफ फूड रिव्यूइंग. आई नो मैं फूड रिव्यूइंग में थोड़ा अच्छा नहीं हूँ क्योंकि मैं ज़्यादा खा नहीं पाता हूँ जंक फूड, बट या आई कैन ईट एनीथिंग. सो दिस वाज माय वीडियो. सो लेट्स टेक अ थंबनेल. So yeah, this was my video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. अब तो उठा भी नहीं जा रहा मेरे से। बाय बाय।